So, my oven was in need of some serious cleaning, but I didn't want to use any super harsh chemicals that would give off any toxic fumes. So, as usual, I turned to YouTube for some natural cleaning alternatives. And let me tell you, it was a huge fail. Nothing worked. So I tried the baking soda and the vinegar, and that didn't work. I tried using plain dish soap. That didn't work either. Nothing worked, basically. So I still didn't want to use any chemicals. So I just figured, let me try the self-cleaning function on the oven. I was always skeptical about whether or not that would work, but since the natural remedies failed, I just figured, what the heck. So I tried that, and here are the results. So as you can see, it actually worked. And this was 4.5 hours later. All I did was make sure to take all the racks out and just hit a button. Turn on the fan, open the windows. 4.5 hours later, it's clean. So it definitely does work. And the kitchen really didn't even get very hot. So I will definitely be using this feature moving forward and won't even bother with the baking soda and the vinegar or any other remedies outside of, of course, just wiping it down after using it. So yeah, there you go. It worked. Oh, and by the way, you want to make sure to turn the oven light off while you're using the self-cleaning feature. So as you can see, mine was on in the video, and that was only after, so I can get clear shots of the results.